Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share Unicoin Network airdrop guild and app overview. So, guys, before we start time, I am starting the video, guys. You can check here Unicoin Network airdrop guild. You can see this Unicoin Network, the first pre-sale on Tone bridging blockchain with multi-chain teach built for scalability and security, so don't miss out. So guys, you can join this airdrop now. So first of all, we discuss how to join now. So guys, step one, sign into guild. So guys, you can click here and sign into guild to your wallet. You can check here, sign in with smart wallet, phantom wallet connect. So I connect with phantom wallet. So guys, you can see this my wallet is connected. Then you can verify address now. You can check here, and next guy you can see this more detail about this project. And guys, steps to join this project: Telegram group channel and Telegram group chat community. So we go to Telegram group channel and group chat community and join now. Then you can participate in airdrop now. So guys, you can see this Telegram group channel open. You can subscribe now, and then guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can see this Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here. You can join now. And next we go to the home page and see this another step 3 of to join this airdrop. Guys, step 3 to connect your X to the guild. So we connect X to the guild now. So guys, you can see this my X is successfully connected to guild now. And next we go to step 4, follow and retweet on X now. So we follow and retweet X now. So guys, you can see this, you can repost now, then you can retweet now. So I retweet now. You can click here, then you can repost now, then you can follow now. So I follow now. Then you can see this your step 4 is complete now. And next guys, you can step 5 submit complete task on guild. You can check here all tasks. You can see this almost 4 step is complete. You can check here, we already complete this now, and remaining I complete now. Then you can join this airdrop now. Guys, you can click this and like this post. Then you can visit this link Unicoin Network YouTube. So first of all, we go to X, then post now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. Then you can like this post. So I like this post now, and see this my task is complete. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this my task is complete now. You can check here. You can see this almost my all task is complete. Then you can visit link Unicoin Network. So guys, you can click here and visit Unicoin Network official website. Then you can see this Unicoin Network official website is open now. And next we back to the home page and see this after a few times this task is complete now. And next guys, you can see this, you can visit Unicoin Network YouTube. So guys, you can click here and go to YouTube. Then you can visit Telegram contact. You can see the Unicoin app overview. So we go to the Unicoin app overview now. Guys, you can check here Unicoin app overview page open. You can check here. You can click this start and see this. You can start now. You can play now. You can see this website document detail. You can check here now. You can click here. You can click this and see this. You can play this now. So to launch this web, you will connect to website. So first of all, you can connect to website. Then you can play to airdrop now. You can check here. You can see the document detail official website. You can click here and go to official website. And next we back to the home page and see this another step of this project airdrop guild. Guys, you can check here my task app overview. You see this complete now. And next you can see this Unicoin Network YouTube link. So you can visit this link now. So you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see Unicoin Network official Telegram YouTube channel open. You can subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update. And next we back to the home page. And guys, you can see this my task network. YouTube is on complete now. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this. You can see this unlock my unlock rewards open now. You can check here my all task is complete. You can check here you have access now. You can see this, then you can join this airdrop now. And you can see this, you can submit your ton wf address, then you can fill this form now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading, it's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. You can check here, you can submit your ton 5 address. Next guys, we discuss Renocoin network app overview. So guys, you can check here Renocoin network board. You can click the start button, then you can start mining now. So guys, you can click this mining option and see this Renocoin network app is open now. You can start your mining now. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this my mining in progress. So guys, you can click this mining option, then you can start mining now. You can check my total mining, stone mining 12. You can check stone per hour 100, time remaining 23 hours 52 minutes. You can check here basic rate 1, your boost 100%. And next we back to the home page and see this. You can check here community, gaming zone, network, leaderboard. Guys, you can claim your daily reward now. So guys, you can click here, then you can claim reward now. So guys, you can see this my 100 stone and 1 tickets claim successfully my reward. You can check here 100 stone. Next guys, you can buy premium now. So guys, you can click here and see this. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can check here Soul Stone package. You can see this 1.5 5. You can check here 1.5 Soul Stone package, boost more 500%, user upgraded 189, tone commission 30%, tone receive 54. And next guys, you can see this Power Stone package 5. You can see the boost more 2000%, user upgraded 62, tone commission 30%, tone receive 27. So guys, you can see the reality stone package 15. So guys, you can buy premium any package now. And next back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this exchange details. So guys, you can click here and see this exchange of this app Renocoin network. You can check here 1 Reno is equal to 1000 stone. You can see this circulating supply. You can enter your stone balance now, then you can receive Reno now. For example, I enter 1000 stone, then you can receive Reno network now. You can check here 0.90 transaction fees 10%. Then you can click this, then you can swap now. And next we back to the home page. And next here you can see this burn detail. You can click here and see this burn detail about this project Renocoin network app. You can check here, page is loading. You can check here your burn from burn package, from referral. You can check here 200% reward, referral reward 10%. You can see this burn 100 Reno 400% reward. You can check here referral reward 15%, burn 250 Reno 1000% reward, referral reward 30%. So guys, you can check here all burn. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this launch pad of this app overview. So guys, you can click here and see this launch pad. You can check here, page is loading. Guys, you can see this pre-sale live. You can check here buy in before price increase 3 days 13 hours 44 minutes. Current price $0.00200. Next day price $0.00200. You can check here last day price $0.1. Then you can select payment. So guys, you can click here and select payments. So I select USDT. Then you can enter USDT amount. Then you can Reno now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can swap now. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this stack details. So guys, you can click here. You can see this features coming soon. And next guys, you can see this wallet details. So guys, you can click here and see this wallet. In this wallet you can withdraw now. So guys, you can click here withdraw button and see this. So you can choose any asset type, tone, Reno, stones. For example, I select tone. Then you can enter your tone balance and then you can enter your wallet address. Then you can enter your maximum amount of tone, then you can withdraw. Now if you want to withdraw, then you can click here and enter your balance, then you can enter your wallet address, then you can enter your amount, then you can withdraw now. And next you back to the home page, and next guys you can see this, you can check here on my balance, your balance stone 100, you can see this. And next guys you can see this more detail about this Reno Coin Network app overview. And guys you can see this mission, you can check here. And next guys you can click here and see this network, number of your network, you can invite your friend, then you can get 100 stone. Now you can see that you can earn 30% cash back in tone when your friend purchase premium. You can see this. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.